Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to announce the winners of one each, any size you want, M12 Stubby impact wrenches. So you can get quarter, 3/8, or half. The winners are going to have to let me know what model they'd like in an email. I'm going to give you the email address after we announce the winners. I'm not going to drag this out, but I'd like to encourage you to go over and subscribe to the Wrenches and Rides channel. We have a lot of great content coming out from our ride at the Hatfield-McCoy trails. It's going to be kind of interesting. Jeff got a new machine. We already have that video posted. We're going to go through what we did riding there. An interesting area. If you're from West Virginia, you probably know what it takes to get down into Gilbert, and there's a ton of mountains around there. Very cool trip for us. We had a lot of fun, and we thank you for everyone who was involved there. In this case, we want to thank Milwaukee for helping support our subscribers. So please keep in touch and subscribe to this channel also so that you can see our future giveaways, because we have a lot of cool things coming. Now let's get right into this. We randomly had to pick 2 winners with our random YouTube comment picker per thing, and lucky guys, man, because these are cool tools. So first guy is Rogers 1911. He is working on a 1995 Ford Ranger. So you're going to have to wait a second when I announce the next one, then you're going to follow those instructions. So second winner is Oakley Johnson. He is working on a 1978 International school bus and turning that into an RV. So congratulations to both of you. Please email us at webmaster@workshopaddict.com and also comment below so we can match you two up, make sure we have the right people, and we will have those items shipped out to you soon. Now, next giveaway is going to come up very soon, probably next Sunday. We're also going to be at SEMA, so if anyone is going to be at the SEMA Auto Show, let us know. We'll be glad to meet up with you and get you in some of our videos that we're doing there. We're going to be working basically all over the place. So if you're around there, look for us. You'll probably be able to catch us somewhere or another. So other than that, congratulations to everybody. Make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of great stuff coming. Have a great day.